Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to punch down your first tree in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So all you need to do is firstly find a tree. Once you find a tree, all you need to do is go up to the tree, towards the tree trunk, and then simply left click on it and hold on it until it breaks. There you go. And it is going to go ahead and drop a log, which you can simply go ahead and use to craft in the future. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and look around, look for trees, and then simply go up to the logs and click and hold until your character starts punching and breaking the tree. So it is as simple as that. And when you are done with the tree, as you can see, there's going to be leaves as well. These leaves decay, and as you can see, they drop saplings just like that. And what are saplings, you might be questioning? Well, these are basically what you can plant, and these will grow into brand new trees, where you can again break down and get more sapling from, and also apples. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.